Hey friends, Gator Mom here. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you're having a great day. Today we're talking all about brand new spring stuff from ROTHY'S. When ROTHY'S released some of the new spring patterns, I knew I had to have this khaki camo color. I love it so much. I think it's a really fun, like, neutral pattern, and I'm kind of obsessed with the teal. It's kind of more, I guess it would be like a teal. It's not really blue, color pinstripes that are over here and like accented throughout this particular pattern. I love it so much. I think that it is so fun for spring. So today what I'm going to be showing you is their bucket bag, which is a style that they released not that long ago. I want to say it was maybe a couple of months back. I could be wrong on that, but I was excited about this particular style bag when they first released it, and then when they released it in this khaki camo, I knew that I wanted to try it because I love the look of the bag and I love this pattern on the bag. So today I'm going to show you the bucket bag. I'm going to go through some of the features first, and then I'm going to put the camera down and kind of pack it up so that you can really see what fits inside of it. And then I also want to show you the Vanity set, which I think is a great like double pouch set. It's so good for travel, especially because this, for example, is the large piece in the Vanity set, and then of course you have a smaller one, which is great to throw in all of your bags. So let's go ahead and talk about these pouches first. Let's start off with the large piece of the Vanity set. I love this size. I think it is great for travel. I don't see myself using it a whole heck of a lot for everyday use because of its size, but I love the way that it's structured. On the side over here, you do have the teal striping that's on the front, as well as the side and the back. And then on the other side over here, you actually don't have any striping. So I think it's really cool and unique. And just like all of other ROTHY items, you have the signature blue ROTHY stripe right there at the top of this piece, which I think is a great little accent. I love the ROTHY'S material. It is so strong and sturdy, and everything that I'm sharing with you today is machine washable. In fact, the bucket bag that we're going to get into in a second actually comes with a large garment bag that you can throw your bag into and throw it in the washing machine so that you know it's nice and protected as it's being washed. Everything just gets air dried, so it's really, really easy to clean. The inside lining of this Vanity set is the awesome teal blue color. And then as you can see, you do have the ROTHY'S logo on the inside and one little pocket to store small things inside. Moving on to the smallest piece in the Vanity set, it looks very similar in structure to the large piece, only the pattern is just a little bit different. I'll actually hold it up against here so that you can see they obviously complement each other really well, and I like how they're just a little bit different. This small one here has the blue striping just like that one all the way around it, and then nothing over here on this side. Inside this smaller pouch, you actually don't have any type of interior pocket just because it's a smaller pouch, but you do still have the ROTHY'S logo on the inside, as well as their signature blue stripe right there on top. Moving on to the star of today's show, if you will, is this gorgeous bucket bag. I absolutely love this bag. I like this style a lot, and I am obsessed with this pattern on this bag. I love the two of them together. I really like how you have some striping accent over here on the side of the bag, and also on the other side. I think it just looks really good. And you have two different strap options with this one. So you have one that is removable and one that is like stationary attached to the bag. So this one here that is in the solid kind of cream color is a strong, thick, like sturdy, shorter strap. And this is the one that you can actually take off. The hardware is a beautiful brushed gold color. I love that it's not like a shiny, in-your-face type gold metal. It's just really pretty against this particular color bag. On the very top of the bag, you will see the ROTHY'S signature blue stripe right here. As far as closures to this bag, you don't have any zippers or anything like that. It is your classic style bucket tote or bucket bag. It opens up nice and wide so you're able to see everything in there, take things in and out really easily. You do have on the center, however, two little flaps that come together with a magnet closure. So your bag will stay somewhat together with those little flaps, especially if you don't have it packed super full. Another thing that I wanted to mention really quickly before we go ahead and set the camera down and really get into packing up the bag is the base of the bag. Inside of it, it does have a removable insert here that you can take out if you just want to wash this, should you spill something on it or something like that. But whenever you wash the bag, you can actually just take it out and have those two things separate so that you can get it nice and clean. All right, so as I was packing up this bag, I realized that you really can use this bag for absolutely anything and everything. It has just enough pockets in it to kind of organize some of the loose things, but if you like to pack with pouches like I do, or if you maybe want to use this bag as a diaper bag or a bag for work, you can definitely fit all size laptops in here. It would be so awesome as a diaper bag. You can actually pack diapers and wipes and pouches and toys, literally anything inside this bucket bag. I really like the way that it packs up. I'm not sure if I mentioned it earlier. I don't think that I did because I just realized it as I was packing up this bag. This striped kind of web strap here is adjustable and it adjusts really easily. I'm not sure why I didn't realize this before. I thought that the clasp over here on the side was the same on both sides so that it was stationary. Now it is sewn into the bag, but it is easily adjustable. So you can wear this bag crossbody. If you are taller, you can still wear this bag crossbody. So I love that option because it makes it easy to kind of move the strap out of the way. And then you can use this shorter strap that came with the bag here to carry it like this, like underneath your arm or however you want to carry it. I'm going to go ahead and just remove this one so the bag stays open nice and big while I'm pulling all of the things out of it. So let's go ahead and start with what I have on these little hooks here in the top in the main bulk, and then we'll work our way into the pockets like we typically do. So over here on each side of the bag, you have these little brushed gold rings that you can actually attach that shorter strap to that I just removed. I decided to use the one over here to attach my mini O-Venture silicone pouch. I love that this little pouch here comes with a hook that you can hook it on the outside of bags or whatever you need. I have a silicone ring here around my Touchland hand sanitizer that I can easily hook in there. And then I just put my face masks inside here so that they're super easy to grab if I need them. I have 2 of those Kitsch face masks tucked inside, and I could probably fit one more if need be. I really like how this confetti gold silicone pouch matches with this bag. I think it's a really good kind of complement. Moving on to the opposite side of the bag over here, it has exactly the same setup, and the only things that I have attached here are my O-Venture keys with this bamboo gold key ring, and then I also have a link pouch from MZ Wallace. And inside here, I actually just carry my earbuds and the charger for them. They fit nice in there, and I'm able to just kind of attach it there on the side. As with all of my reviews and packing videos, I will have a link to today's blog post down below, which will have links to everything that I'm sharing here today. So if you see something that I pull out that you would like more information on, that will all be below. Pulling out what is in the middle part of the bag here, tucked in the corner, I just have a 17-ounce Swell bottle. You can see there's so much more room in here. You can fit literally any type of water bottle in here. If you have like the big fat Owala water bottles or Hydro Flask or any of the Yeti or Brewmate tumblers, you can really fit anything inside this bag. So I just have this one here tucked over on the side. Then right next to it here, I have the small pouch from the Vanity set that I just shared with you guys. And inside here, I have all of these small things for me. I have my hand cream, I have some medicine, a ton of different lip products, some tissues. I also have some hair kind of ties and scrunchies, nail file, all that small little like cosmetic type things fit really well inside this pouch. Sitting right next to it here, kind of down, you can almost not really see it, but this is my wallet. I'm back in this MZ Wallace small Crosby wallet.
I love this. I find myself, I switch out my wallets all the time. I'm kind of like I switch out my bags, but I love this wallet. I feel like it's one that I constantly am going back to. So yeah, I have that one down there in just the center of the bag. I could easily put it in one of these pockets if I wanted to. But that's tucked down in there. And then I also have over here a pouch that you guys have been seeing a lot of, and that is the 31 Get Creative double pouch. Right here in this front little clear area, I have some scented crayons for the kids. And then inside I have a bunch of activities. So this is just a great on-the-go activity bag for the kids. I have a ton of these play pack coloring books. We just tend to use everything that's inside the play pack, and then I keep the coloring books, so we have a ton in there. I have a big just plain white notebook, and then I have these Uli gel pens. I shared them over on Instagram. They're so good. They're fruity scented, there's glitter and neon, and it just opens up nice and flat, and the kids can just write and draw and do whatever it is that they want to do. I also have some cards and some more notebooks. So it's like a little play, like on the go fun kit for them. That is everything that I had in the middle part here of the bag. Now moving on to the pockets that are inside this bag. You have two big pockets right here on the inside, as well as one like longer one here in the back. And then tucked down in front of this pocket, you have the ROTHY'S logo, which I know it's a little dark, I'm not sure if you can see. And then you also have a big zipper pocket. So you can fit a ton in these pockets, really you can. Inside this zipper pocket here, I just have a couple of pens for my notebook and my planner back there. I can obviously fit way more in that pocket if I need to. I just love how smooth and easy the zippers are. Right behind there, I have my Erin Condren notebook that I've been carrying with me a lot lately with my little photo fob here attached. I think it's kind of cute as a planner charm. I usually have something attached, but this here is my notebook. And then I also have directly behind it my Erin Condren Life Planner, and that fits great inside that pocket as well. I love the way these two kind of patterns match together. I've been using them both together a lot. When I have everything out of the bag, I will show it a little bit more up close empty so that you guys can see it just a little bit better. But on the opposite side of this pocket here, you do have two over here, and they're nice big pockets. You can fit a lot inside of them. Inside this one over here, I just have my little Keep Going first aid kit. I love this a lot. I've been just carrying this instead of a small little like mini med kit for the kids. It has literally everything in here. Like if anybody falls, has a bump, has a scrape, it's great for sports. There's just so much. I just keep all of our family's little odds and ends inside here, and it's easy to move from bag to bag. So highly recommend this. I'll leave it below. It's a great little on-the-go kit for moms. Then in the other pocket right here, I have a small Lily Jade packing case. I love these also. I use them a lot. I've used them for years. This one here is the smaller of the two, and I love the way this blue matches the bag. So you can see here on this small vanity case, it's a pretty close match. I mean, it's not exact, but I think they complement each other really well. So if you like this pattern as much as I do and want kind of some coordinating pieces with it, I think this particular set of packing cases would be a great choice. Hopefully they still have this particular color on the website. I know they tend to sell out, but they have a ton of others if not. So this is the small. It is in a set of 3. So there's a small, a medium, and then you also get a large, which I have other activities in for the kids that I was using previously also. This is great for this front pocket here. It fits in there really well. So like I said, you can organize this so many different ways, but inside this small one right now, I just have snacks for the kids. So I'm able to fit a couple of granola bars, some wet ones like hand sanitizing hand wipes, and then I also have some of these fruit strips. So all of that fits really well inside here. I know a lot of you also love this 31 clear clip pouch that I keep sharing because it's thermal, so it's a great option for snacks. And then I usually put wet ones in this clear pouch here in the front. I also really love the way that this one matches this ROTHY'S bag because of the teals and the blues in the fish. So this is another really fun option to pack in this bag. So that is everything that I have packed up inside. See if the camera will focus here so you can really see how big and deep this bag is. I love packing it with pouches. Like I said earlier, I think it's easy to just grab out everything that I need. I like how it closes with the magnetic kind of closure there at the top, so it just keeps from things falling out a little bit more easily.
All right, I think that does it for today's video. I will have a link below to everything that I mentioned today. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them below, and I will see you on my next video. Have a great day.